During our stay in Kuantan, we visited the Lao Zi Temple, which is more than just a place of worship. It is an interesting sight to discover. This is a Taoist temple which is dedicated to the practice of Taoism. Also known as the Temple of the Supreme Bliss, come join us as we wander the grounds.
Vibrations.
Yeah.
Go.
So one ring for longevity, one ring for prosperity, and one ring for luck. You need to do it harder.
You can feel the vibration.
One more time for luck.
That's amazing.
So that is the largest bell in Malaysia. And then over here inside this little cave, they have a laughing Buddha. Laughing. He's saying, "You fat. Lose weight." We got this right here. We hit coins. If you hit the bell with a coin, then it wishes you luck. And Charlene's got one coin. Let's see what she does.
One and done. Quite true.
The top of the hill, there's more stuff up here. We are basically the only ones here, but it's pretty interesting. The monkey god and the god of healing. Okay. More dragons. Some dinosaurs in the background. I asked Fong, the caretaker of this place, and he said, when I asked him, I said, were these dinosaurs that were part of Malaysia back in the day? He said, no, they're just made of cement. So. Here comes Charlene out of the dragon's mouth.